Hello, I'm Jacqueline LaFlamme. I'm a professional artist with JacquelineLaFlamme.com. In this clip, I'm going to show you how to draw splashing water. You'll need a sketchbook. You'll need some black markers to draw with. We're going to start off with one big raindrop shape, as if it was coming down into the water. Now when it hits the water, it's going to create waves. So we're just going to take the marker and go around in a circle and create the waves like in a pool of water. Just kind of rough waves. Also when it hits, the water is going to start to splash up. So we can do big kind of backwards raindrops, if you will, splashing up. Just like that, just as if the water was like coming up. And where this water is going to hit the water, there's going to be like little splashes. So for this, we can just do some little swirlies around where the big splashes are. So it's almost like doing little mini raindrops coming out. And you can just have them coming around. Then you can just add a few little kind of round shapes just to balance it out and show where the water would drip. And there you have it, a splash of water. This has been Jacqueline LaFlamme. Thank you for watching.